In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out pictures on Instagram when posting multiple images. We all love sharing moments with our friends and followers, but sometimes Instagram's cropping can be a bit tricky, especially when you want to show the full picture. So let's dive into how you can easily zoom out your images to ensure your posts look just the way you want them to. First, you'll need to open Instagram on your browser, preferably on a computer. Instagram's web interface offers a cleaner way to manage your posts when handling multiple images. Once you're logged in, look for the Create option, which you'll use to start making a new post. It should be prominent on your screen, making it easy to kick things off. Now that you're on the post creation page, click on Select from Computer. This is where you can choose the photos you'd like to upload. If you're planning to post more than one image, hold down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac while you click the images. This will allow you to select multiple files at once, simplifying the process and saving you some extra steps. Once your photos are selected, you'll notice a small zoom icon on each image, looking like two arrows pointing away from each other. By clicking on this icon for each of your chosen pictures, you'll ensure that the entire image fits within Instagram's square frame, giving you a full view without cropping out important parts. It's an effective way to maintain your photo's original integrity and to show your audience the complete scene you captured. If after zooming out you find that the image isn't quite centered or doesn't showcase the part of the picture you wanted, don't worry. You can click and drag the image to adjust its position within the frame. This feature gives you control over how your story is told through your visuals, offering a balance between Instagram's square format and your artistic vision. After you have adjusted all your images to fit perfectly, hit the Next button. You'll then proceed with the usual steps of posting, adding captions, tagging friends, perhaps adding a location, and choosing if you want to share it on other social media platforms. It's all about adding your personal touch and setting the tone for your post. And there you have it. With these steps, you're all set to create beautifully curated posts with multiple images, making the most of your content without compromising on what makes each picture special. Thank you for watching, and happy posting.